What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So I've got the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and aside there, we got a whole bunch of cases. We got like the whole Galaxy S24 collection from Caseology. Thank you so much, guys, Caseology, for sending these out to check out the whole collection. We're gonna put them on and we're gonna see how they look on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So let's get right into it. We got right here the Blueberry Navy, and this is specific just for the natural titanium, or what Samsung has is their titanium color. If you want to see it on a different color, then well, unfortunately I don't have that different color. So you need a fresh start, small gift. So you're getting some cleaning wipes and you get a cleaning cloth. So that's really nice to see from Caseology. But looking at the inside, it definitely, you know, it's a dual color tone, and definitely some camera protection right there. But let's put it on. It's got some raised lips on the side, so it's definitely going to offer a little bit of protection right here. It's fairly thin, so it's not like super bulky. Clicking the S Pen out of there is pretty easy. Buttons themselves are really easy, so that's good. And the camera, more than so, it's going to be a little bit protected, and it's going to have a little bit of a very slightly raised lip on the side. But for the most part, I like this color. I like how it looks. Next up, we got right here the black Sesame. So you really can't go wrong with black. And again, Caseology is leaving some cleaning wipes as well as a cleaning cloth. So that's a huge plus. But ooh, I like the inside of this. I like how this looks for the S24 Ultra. I think this is a, if you want to just be a nice like dual, like a clean color, minimal color, this is definitely going to be that case for you. But I really like how this does look. Granted, you can't really tell, the color really doesn't pop out unless you look at it from the bottoms, obviously because it's protecting all angles. Again, this is pretty much the same case, so still clicky buttons on the side, as well as an easy access to your S Pen right here. So that's a huge plus. Again, these are more like kind of for style, and I like how they look. Now let's check the light violet. So we're gonna pop open the light violet. And here's the thing with cases. Sometimes just, you know, people want to see how the cases look on the phone before they pick it up. Like if they're buying from Amazon or whatnot. If anyone wants to pick up this purple case, this is actually not too bad either. Again, it's the same. It's like the same material being used as the other two cases. So it's really bendable too. There's no MagSafe in here, but that's okay. And like I said, yeah, people like to see how a case looks on the device before they pick it up. And sometimes the pictures, like on Amazon or the website, the company's website doesn't do it justice. Again, clicky buttons, easy access to the S Pen. And those are, for at least for me, the most important, one of the most important parts with an S24 Ultra case. But yeah, I like how this light purple looks as well. Next up, if I can pull this case out right here. There we go. You know what? Let's just stack these up aside right here. We're getting what we have, the Galaxy S24 Ultra in active gray. So let's pop this out right away. We get some more. I think we're gonna get in with all of them. There we go. So this doesn't really look like a MagSafe charger, but nonetheless, it's a different type of texture here. It's more rugged. And I think this one may be the most best fitting color wise. It's very similar to the titanium color, but clicky buttons, easy access to S Pen. Again, seriously, this is actually really nice too. And yeah, there's my Tesla Model 3, the refresh. But yeah, I like how this looks as well. Individual camera cutouts right here. That's also something to appreciate, because if you don't have individual camera cutouts, dust gets in between, and I don't really like that too much. Next up, we got the Active Black. We got the Active Black. You know, if you don't want to go with a different type of color, well, then you can't go wrong with, you know, black or silver. But yeah, more cleaning cloths. So that's a huge plus that each individual case comes with that. This I like. I like how this one looks. Now imagine if this had MagSafe. Again, same thing, clicky buttons. Ooh, this one looks really nice. And it's got that rugged feeling. So I don't think it'll, more than like, it won't fall out of your hand. It's not gonna slip out of your hand. I like it. I really do like it. So there is the Active Black. Let's put this aside, and we're getting some different cases right now. Let's see what we got. We got a whole collection here, guys. Ooh, we got the sage green and a navy violet, as well as ash gray and matte black. You know what? We're gonna leave the matte black for last. Let's go with sage green. All right. I think this one's gonna be more of like the ooh, what's this? That would be nice if this was a kickstand from Caseology. That would have been really nice. All right. So these are more of like different types of textures and styles, but oh, this one feels also really rugged. I don't know how I feel about this. Again though, easy access for the S Pen. Let's put that up there. There we go. Clicky buttons. Look at it from the back. Individual camera cutouts, which I do appreciate again. So yeah, if this color, sage green, is the one for you, then here it is, sage green. Next up, we got some more colors. We got right here, navy violet. Let's check out navy violet. All right, more cases though, case companies. Like, you guys need to add some cleaning wipes and like cleaning wipes here. This is something that you should add, so just take it as is. But yeah, I like the design of the inside, even though you're not going to be seeing the inside. I like how it looks. All right, flip that open or pop that inside. There we go. Ooh, this is color coded too. It's like, it has like this metal type of feeling, but it's not really metal-y. But nonetheless, individual camera cutouts. And this one kind of blends in that rugged design a little bit more, like a parallel type of design, or a diamond shape, I guess you can say. And that also feels really good in the hand. I like it. I think this one's the better color than sage. Let's pop this out. Put that right there. Let's see what else we got. We got some more. We got two more left. This right here is the ash gray. The ash gray case. I have a whole bunch of these now. Sweet. So there it is. Again, it's the closest to the titanium color. Popping that in. And I'll make sure all sides are in. There we go. And same thing, clicky buttons. Take a look at the back. It's actually really nice. I still like the navy blue better than this gray one. But nonetheless, here it is if you want to check it out. I'll be leaving links to these in the description down below if you do want to check it out, as well as my latest wallpaper pack. It's called Urban Glow, and it really does help out the channel a lot. And pretty much the links down below, they're all affiliate links. Those also help out the channel out as well. And again, huge thanks to Caseology for sending these out. But there we go. We're leaving the matte black for last. Let's put this on. There we go. Just pop it in like that. Just gotta make sure it pops in correctly. There we go. Pop in correctly there. And voila. There is the matte black. And this is like the Parallax series. I like it. I like how this one looks. Which one would I prefer though out of these two? I probably prefer this one. I really like how this design looks. Caseology makes some pretty decent cases. Like I like how this case really does look. But yeah, if you want to check this out, again, I'll be leaving links in the description down below. They have a huge variety of cases. Both are, and they're fairly protective. They have raised camera sides. They have individual camera cutouts. Their buttons are clicky, easy access to the S Pen, raised corners on the sides because it has a flat display. So yeah, definitely be sure to check them out. If you did enjoy this video, definitely be sure to superman the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot. I'll help push my content out to more people. That's been it for me. I'll catch you guys in the next episode.